Now I must make something new today. What may that be? I don't know. The best thing in the galaxy? A simple ring. And I will set it down right here. Now, if you will excuse me, I have to go party. Hey, hello.
Hey, look. A ring. Hey, what's this? Hey, look, it says the label, the strongest potion in the world. I think I'm just gonna put it in here.
No! That was the best party in America, but I must come back. Alright. Hey, the ring! Looks a little different. What is it? I don't know. No! I dropped it! Now it's going back to Earth! No! Bye.
And it was all because of me. Da-da! You know what? I give myself no choice but to wear my party glasses. Hey, what's that? Looks like a ring. This is weird.
This is kind of weird. So I think I'm just going to sell it to someone because it's so intensely boring.
Mom, do I have to wait in the store and wait for people to drop things off? No one comes. Okay. I don't know why I'm talking like this.
Because my real voice is this, and I'm a good singer. Alright, so, Mom, why do I have to do this? Come on. Hey, look, I think someone dropped something off. Looks like a ring. Mom? She's in the bathroom. Hey, I wore this, and something's happening. The fireman, the fireman. Son, were you calling Mom? She's out today. She's on her break. Son? Oh no. Oh no. He left his shades in his robe. This can only mean one thing. He went with his mom out to lunch. I'll just call her. Yeah, here it is. Alright. Hey, Anna, you got the boy? Oh, okay, that's great. She doesn't have him! Ah!
A scuba-doo, a scuba-doo, a scuba-doo.
Oh my gosh. There's a big green guy. He looks like the Hulk. That's a really cool party costume. I'm gonna go check it out.
Hi, person. My name is... Ow. Is that a costume? Let me check. Oh!
Roar! 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 I am the Mutant Hulk! Yeah! I'm so huge! Look at how small the cars are compared to me! Ah! Roar! And the Mutant Hulk destroyed the city. And that was